We are going to go through one of the most important things in trading, that's risk management. I'm going to be teaching you everything that you need to know about position sizing, support and resistance, how to add the forecasting tools, and also how to select the token so that you'll be able to trade it on either Binance and Bybit. You're also going to be learning about how to connect your Binance app to your TradingView account so that you can take the trades from there. So at the end of this video, if you still have any questions, you can let me know to show you everything that you need to know about day trading in crypto, especially position sizing, risk management, Binance to TradingView connection, how to add your price prediction tools and enter a trade. So at the end of this video, if you have any questions, you can let me know. We are going to be using the Binance app to do the tutorial. So first thing first, you need to get a verified Binance account. If you don't have a verified Binance account, click the first link in the video description so that you can join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. Please don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. My responsibility is to teach you how to trade so that you can make money by yourself. Some of you like texting people and asking them for money. It's better you learn how to trade so that you can be able to make your own money rather than asking people for $5, $100, $200 to pay for your bills. So what I'll do is I'll first go to my trade here. When I go to trade, what I'll do is I'll go to my features. So after going to features, you click on USDT at M features. So you click on USDT at M features. Now the next part is you go to a website called TradingView. So this is my Binance Futures account. This is my Binance Futures account, right? So for now, I have like $328 in my Futures account. So I'll go to TradingView again. Go to a website called tradingview.com. Then you click on the menu bar at the top left hand side. So after clicking on it, you select product. So when you select product, you are going to select super chat. That's what we are going to be using. So click on super chat here. So after clicking on super chat, the most important thing here is for us to add our technical analysis tools. So to add the technical analysis tools, just look at the left hand side of TradingView, right? So when you look at the left hand side, the first one, we have what we call the cases, trend line, we have Fibonacci retracement, XABCD patterns. We have long position and short position, that's the forecasting and measurement tools. Then we have brush. So for now, we are currently looking, the moving averages are telling us that Bitcoin is currently in a downtrend in the 15 minutes time frame, right? Because we know the 25 moving average and the 15 moving average, anytime they are above the candlesticks or they are creating higher highs above the candlesticks, that means we are going to be selling. But if the candlesticks are above the indicators, we are going to be buying. Today is weekend. It's not good to be taking a trade. But because of this video, I'm just going to show you how to do that. So for example, now we are going to add our Binance account to our TradingView wallet. So to do this, check the down below. We have the down right hand side. Click on the maximize panel. So when you click on the maximize panel, you are going to click on Binance, right? So you click on Binance. When you click on Binance, you click on connect. Okay, so if you are trading on OKX2, you can use OKX to do this. So I'll just click on connect. After clicking on connect, I have to make sure that I've connected my Binance account to my TradingView. So I'll just confirm. So after confirming, my Binance account is now going to be linked to my TradingView wallet, so that I'll be able to take the trades straight away from my trading account on TradingView. So you can see on this page, we now have what? Pin editor, strategy tester, replay trading, Binance, then we have trade panel. So what you are going to be doing is you are going to change here to UM account. UM account means features account. If you select spot account, that means you are going to do spot trading. So we are using UM account, that's features account with leverage. This one is just the same as trading forex, but in this case we are using borrowed money, that's leverage. And also we are trading digital currencies that are not controlled by any central government. So we have our account equity to be $328. You can see our account balance here. That's the same thing as equity. Now we have orders, history, trades that we have taken. So you can click on minimize pattern here. After clicking on the minimize pattern, we can see that the market is creating lower lows to the downside. So let's say we are going to enter a sell position on Binance. Now this is where the forecasting tools comes in. I've just showed you how to connect your Binance account to your trading view. Now I'm going to show you how to add your price prediction tools and calculate your position size. So to add your price prediction tool, check the left hand side. You can see we have forecasting and measurement tools. Click on it. After clicking on it, there are only two items you are going to pin. Have you seen this star? Just click it on the long position, and this is for the short position. So you are going to ask yourself here, anytime the market is going up, you are going to be using the long position. Anytime the market is going down, you are going to be using the short position. So that's why we have long and short. We make money when the market is rising, and we also make money when the market is falling. When the market is consolidating, we don't trade. Crypto is 24/7. So now we already know that Bitcoin is about to fall, or Bitcoin is creating lower lows and lower highs. So we are going to use the short position tools. So I'll go back to my forecasting and measurement tools, and I'll select short position. So I click on short position here. Now I'm going to add it to the entry around here. So I click on entry. So I'll add my short position. Now we are targeting the nearest resistance zone as our stop loss. So my nearest resistance zone will be around something like a place like this. Let's just go with a place like 62,112, right? Then our targeted place will be 60. We are risking 1:3. So that's how trading should be. Like when you risk $100, you should be able to make $300 back. Do you get it? So now our strategy is telling us we should sell Bitcoin right now, and we are risking, let's say, $50 of the capital to make $150 back. So I'll double click on the position bar. After double clicking, now you are going to enter the capital that you have in your Binance. So you can see you have $328. So I enter $328. Now we are risking, like, if we are selling, we risk less than 3%. But if we are buying, we risk like 5% to take the trade as position. Our margin should be 5% going, but if we are selling, 3% down. Do you get it? You can see we have our entry price. So let me just enter 3%. Our entry price is 61,973. Then we have our stop loss, our take profit, which is 61,504. Then we have our price for stop loss. So that for the stop loss is 62,112. So I just click on confirm here. So you can see this is the quantity that we are going to use on our Binance to take the trade. So to take the trade, I'll go back to my Binance account. We have BTC, right? And our capital is $328. Now we are going to use the calculator to calculate how much of our money we are risking on this trade. But to do that, click on TP/SL. So when you click on TP/SL, now we are going to add our stop loss and our take profit. So remember, our take profit was 61,523. Then we have our stop loss being 62,000. So 62,112. Because we are thinking Bitcoin will go down, our stop loss is around 62,112. So we are going to be using the sell position. But you know, Bybit is telling us that we should use the quantity. Before you use the quantity, to make sure you are at market orders. So you click here to select market orders. Then you also change the leverage to maximum. Because we are using 2 to 3% of our capital, then we have cross margin and isolated. Please, these things are very important, especially the stop loss and take profit. Stop loss and take profit are very important when it comes to trading crypto, because a coin can be like $200, then the next thing it will go to $10 or $50. they move very fast. So we are going to add this as our quantity, right? But before we add it as our quantity, click here. When you click here, you can see we have display margin mode and leverage adjustment. So that one you can just leave it like the way it is. Then we also have this plus icon divided by equal to. That's the one we are going to be using to calculate our position. So to do this, we will change it to short. So when I change it to short, then I have my leverage as 125x. Please, this part of the video is very important because we are calculating our position size. So to calculate your position size, you are going to click on the order box. Here is the order book. The order book contains buyers and sellers, and the order box contains those who are currently the money that we have on our Binance, and also the amount, the leverage, the market orders, the type of market execution we are going to use. So I said you should, to calculate your position size, click on the plus equals icon at the top left hand side on top of your margin. Okay, so you click on it. So after clicking on it, because we are thinking of selling Bitcoin, I'll click on short position here. After clicking on short position, you only trade 15 minutes from Monday to Friday. That's the time that the market moves very fast. So I go from 125x. We are going to add our entry price. So to add our entry price, we will go back to trading view. So you can see the trade is not even going well. So let's go and add our entry. We'll shift it here to our entry view. So double click. So our entry is 62,023. So 62,023, we have 62,023. Then our USDT. So we are going to use exit price. So we are going to enter our exit price, which is 61,000, where we want to exit the market. Okay, so we have 61,594. We have 61,594. Then quantity in BTC. So the quantity, we are going to enter this quantity. Have you seen QTY 0.069? So that's the amount we are going to use, 0.069. Then we click on confirm. So if the trade does go well, we are going to make like $29. Do you get it? If the trade goes well, we are going to make $29. So now let's enter our stop loss. So we enter our stop loss here. So for me to enter my stop loss, I'll just scroll down. You see we have our stop loss being 62,162. So we have 62,162. So we have 62,162. Then we click on confirm. So if the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose $9. So that's what we call position sizing. If the trade goes well, we are going to make $29. If the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose $9. This is how you should be doing your trading. Okay, so now if we are going to enter the amount, we are going to add it to the quantity section. Okay, so we are going to add a 0.065. Have you seen? 0.065 is $32. Then we can now click on sell. So if you observe, if I confirm this trade here, then I go back to my trading view. Have you seen the trade has appeared on my trading view account? So you can see the trade is currently active. So if I click on the maximize panel here, have you seen the current trade? So the P&L shows how much you are making on the trade. So if I want, I can click on the X bar. If I click on the X bar, that means I'm closing the trade. This is the quantity that we have invested in the trade, and this is our side of the trade. We are thinking Bitcoin will drop to $61,594, and if Bitcoin dropped to $69,594, we are going to make a total profit of $29. But if the trade doesn't go well and Bitcoin goes to $62,164, then we will lose $9. So meaning we are risking $9 to make uh $29. We are risking $9 to make over 3 times of the $9, the money that we are risking. That's how trading should be. So some people usually ask me, why Askanda, you are always in profit, or your account is because of this. And we also have another strategy that once the trade reaches 100 plus ROI. So if I go back to my Binance, then I scroll down here, you can see my current trade percentage is minus 3.34. So I'm saying that if you ever enter a trade and this particular place is more than here, the minus 4.3, have you seen we have lost a total of $1 on this trade. So if this trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose a total of $9. But if it goes well, we are going to make a total of $29. And I said, don't trade on weekend. Don't ever trade on weekend. Weekend is not good. It doesn't respect the current market conditions. So if the ROI, the return on investment, this percentage, if it's ever 100 plus ROI, you are going to move your stop loss to entry. You are now going to use your entry price as stop loss. So if you want to close the trade, you just click on the market section on Binance here. Okay, so if you want to close it, just click on market section. But let's say you want to move your stop loss to entry if the trade goes to 100 plus ROI. Now you are going to double click here and enter your entry price where we took the market from, which is about 161. You enter this particular place. So the most important thing to here is, here we call it the margin ratio. If you ever enter a trade, have you seen this yellow bar on the top right hand side? If you ever enter a trade and this particular place is more than 10%, just close the trade and enter again. So you have seen the margin maintenance and my margin level, how much I'm currently having in my trading account. Have you seen here? This is how much I'm currently having. The unrealized P&L shows how much you are currently making on a trade. So if you have made $1, you will show $1 here. If you have made $200, you will show $200 here. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to click the first link and join the Telegram group so that you'll be able to receive free trading signals from me. So this video, I've just showed you how to calculate your position on Binance, and I said you can even take the trade on your TradingView account. So this is the current profit. The equity is the capital that we have in our TradingView account. Then we have our Binance account. You can even trade spot by just clicking here and clicking on spot. So if I click on spot, now we are going to be using the total capital to take the trade. Weekend is very slow and the market is always manipulated. So I would say that don't be using weekend to do your trading, especially Saturdays and Sundays. The market doesn't respect our strategy on weekends. So this is how you calculate your position. I've just showed you how to do it properly on Binance. The next video I'll be showing you how to do it on Bybit and also KuCoin. I've also showed you how to add the indicators and also how to even add the price prediction tools, which is very important. So if I double click here, this is how you are supposed to be doing it. So if you take like 200 trades, or you take 100 trades, or you take 10 trades or 50 trades, or even 5 trades, you know whether your strategy is really working or not, because you are now trading with risk to reward and position sizing. You are not gambling, you are not doing real trading. So if this trade doesn't go well and maybe the next trade goes well, I'll be up like 4%. So meaning if you take 2 trades and you don't win, and you take 1 trade and win, you will break even. Do you get it? So you should be targeting 1:3 anytime you are taking a trade. So the next video I'll be showing you how to do the same thing on Bybit, just that Bybit is not linked to TradingView. Make sure you click the first link to join the account. So the trade that I've just taken, it have even appeared on my Binance account here. So you can see it. Have you seen the trade on my Binance? Okay, so see you in the next video and take care.